the rubber band at the back of it. Thank you for watching. The right side, join it at the back, take two more sections from either side and then join it at the back. Tie a low ponytail with the hair, add a rubber band to the middle of this low ponytail, make a division and then roll the hair in on itself as such, and then add a decorative pin to it. Take two sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back, pull a section from the right side through the top section. Now take two more sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back and repeat this step. Now divide the hair into two parts and then make a fishtail braid at the back. Roll your braid upwards and add decorative pins. Take a section from the middle at the top and then tie it up at the back. Roll the section of the hair in on itself. Then take two sections from either side, tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself once more, add decorative pins to it. Take a section of the hair from the top and then divide it into two parts and then take two more sections from either side, attach it to the two middle sections you've created, roll these two sections in themselves and then join it at the bottom. Pull it through the middle section you've created, add some decorative pins. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then add a rubber band to it. Take two sections of the hair as such and then tie a knot to it as such. Now add another rubber band at the base, on another time until you reach the base of the scalp. Now add a decorative pin at the bottom. Tie a low ponytail to the hair, make a division in the middle as such and then roll the hair in on itself. Once you pull it out through the other side, this is what it should look like. Now make a bun out of it and then use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Take a section of the hair from the top and then tie a rubber band to it at the back. Roll the hair in on itself as such. Now take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Add a rubber band to the middle section of this, roll the hair in on itself and then pull it through the top as such. Next, take the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it, make three divisions out of it and then begin to braid the hair as such, and then make a fishtail braid out of it. This is what we have done as well. Cut the rubber band that you have added at the top. Take two sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back, make a knot out of it, gather it around the rest of the hair as well and tie it up at the back. Comb the hair into place. Take a section from the left side, make a braid out of it as such. Now after you are done with this, do the same for the right side as well. Join both of the braids together, lift it upwards, take two sections from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band to the middle of the section, roll it in on itself 2 times over and then pull it through the top. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band to the middle of the section and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Next, we will take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now taking a section from the left side, pull it through the top left side section. Do the same with the right side as well. Now divide the hair into two parts at the back and then join each of the sections together. Next, take a section from the left and the right side and then join it at the back, add a rubber band to it. Repeat the step and then make a low ponytail out of the hair. Add a rubber band in the middle of this low ponytail, tighten it and then at the bottom, make a braid out of it. Roll it up into a bun. Thank you for watching.